Hello everyone. As we know that today 12th May is celebrated as International Nurses Day. So firstly wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day from Clinical Knowledge and Medicine. Every year it is celebrated on 12th May. International Nurses Council celebrates this day with the memories of founder of modern nursing Florence Nightingale, or also she is known as Lady with Lamp. It is her birth anniversary. Contribution and importance of nurses and nursing profession around the world cannot be neglected. Hence, International Nurses Day celebration reminds the importance of nurses. History of Nurses Day. Firstly, it was celebrated in 1965. From the very beginning, the journey of International Nurses Council was not pleasant. In the year of 1953, Dorothy Sutherland proposed this day, but at that time, President did not approve it. In the year 1965, INC started to observe this day on May 12th. In 1974, this day got official recognition. From then onwards, Nurses Day is celebrated throughout the world. Why Nurses Day is important? Nurses are serving the humanity. Thus, it is one of the great professions. The nursing profession is being appreciated through the celebration of International Nurses Day, and also public awareness about healthcare system is created. Doctors are the brain of the hospital. Nurses are the heart of the hospitals. International Nurses Day now has greater significance than ever because of COVID-19 pandemic. Nurses are working tirelessly to treat patients and have become the backbone of hospitals and healthcare system around the world. This day was created so we can honor, pay tribute to all the nurses around the world who have and are doing an incredible job in keeping people healthy. Nurses have a diverse role and are responsible for carrying out several tasks in the workplace. They administer medications to the patients, write their care plans, assist with evaluations and tests, and set up blood transfusions and drips. They also maintain patient records, train juniors, and organize staff to maintain a friendly and efficient work environment in hospitals and clinics. Every year, Nurses Day is celebrated with a different theme. A theme is attributed to the International Nurses Day every year. So for 2021, theme for the International Nurses Day is A Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare. In 2021, we seek to show how nursing will look into the future, as well how the profession will transform the next stage of healthcare. INC released 4 fact sheets. First one is COVID-19 infections and deaths among nurses and other healthcare workers. 2,710 nurses across 59 countries lost their lives because of COVID-19 infection up to 31st January 2021. Since May 2020, the International Council of Nurses has consistently called for the systemic and standardized collection of data on healthcare workers' infections and deaths. It is evidence that would help protect the safety of patients and healthcare workers. Second one is stress and burnout in the nursing profession. 80% of INC's National Nursing Associations that responding have received reports of mental health distress from nurses working in the COVID-19 response. In January 2021, the International Council of Nurses drew the world's attention to the evidence showing mental health issues and psychological impacts on nurses as a result of responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Third one is nurse shortage and retention. The global nursing workforce is estimated at 27.8 million. The world was already facing 5.9 million of nurses shortage before the COVID-19 pandemic. Close to 90% of these shortages are concentrated in low and lower middle income countries. Fourth one is nursing education. 73% of National Nursing Associates strongly agree that the education preparation of student nurses was disrupted by the pandemic in 2020. This was particularly high in areas affected by COVID. So, again wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day. Nurse, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. Stay home, save life. Wear mask, use sanitizer. Stay healthy. Thank you.